Now, we already know that I was trying to be with the trends and get me a nice, sleek, hard shell carry-on bag for my next travels. And so I don't usually use packing cubes, but the idea of having a compression cube really appealed to me. And so I did what I saw everyone else doing, and I put all this stuff in this compression cube. And what happened? It busted. Yes, the zipper busted. And I was bamboozled. A lot of you responded and told me to try a couple of new things. So when someone told me to try vacuum seal bags, I was like, perfect. Already got everything I need. Takeoff vacuum seal bags came to the rescue. When Takeoff sent me these, I'm not gonna lie, I put them to the side because I'm like, I don't need a vacuum seal bag. This blue color is really cute. All you have to do is untwist this cap and then stick and press the button twice, and look at that. Just goes ahead and vacuums up all of the air. Now, I'm telling you right now, definitely didn't think that this was gonna work, but once I saw how much room I had left over, but I had room for shoes, I had room for other stuff. What I loved is that I did all that. I didn't have to push the bag down. I didn't have to fit the zippers together, and I still had space on the other side. So the fact that I was able to fit all of these clothes in here, it has changed me. I'm gonna start using vacuum seal bags even in my tried and true. If you are trying to figure out how to do carry-ons only and not check bags, I'm your girl. And Takeoff Luggage accessories can definitely help you accomplish that. Get you some.